Alright, good morning. Another duck hunt with the Arend Boys, November 11th, Monday. So it is Veterans Day. Happy Veterans Day to all you vets out there. Hopefully you're getting to do something you want to do today. Today we got a nice strong west wind. We can hear it whipping through the trees, whistling through the trees. So we're supposed to be getting up to about 20 knots out of the west. So hopefully it'll bring some birds here. And we got almost pretty much clear skies. I think the temperature is about mid-50s. So hopefully this wind condition will give us a good day. So heading out, it's just going to be Steve and I hunting today. So far we're the people out here. And we're going to get out and get set up. We'll see everybody just before shooting light. Alrighty, we're about 20 minutes away from shooting light, and we're all set up. 12 dozen decoys out. We got overcast skies. We've got a good wind. They're saying it's 15 knots coming from our back out from out of the west. I think the wind is coming down from upper part of Michigan, coming down to the north, and then right when it gets to us, it's kind of whipping around to the west. So we'll see what that has to bring. Expecting a good day. Tomorrow might be a good day too. So the wind's going to be coming out northeast tomorrow. So I think that's about it. So 20 minutes. We'll see you at shooting light. Wood duck. What is it? You don't think it's close enough? Huh? It's coming closer, isn't it? Huh? Yeah, he's coming closer. I say take it. Lake Dipper. I couldn't tell if it was coming at us or going away from us for a minute. Good boy. Good boy, up. That's a weird duck.
What?
Come on. Hey. I think it's a black duck.
Oh shit, it is a black duck.
Come on up. It's a huge black duck. Man, that's a big one. Look at that. Got the skunk out of the bag with a black duck. Is that a different duck? Oh, it picked up. Where'd that other one go? Well, we got shit. We got 3 over here. No, we're by coming around back around this way. Where's that pintail at? Should we try him?
Try him.
If we both shoot at it. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Like Deborah, like. Back. Back. You can't see it. Back. Back. There he goes. Yeah. Good boy, come on. Shake it off up there. Good boy. Bring it up. Get it. Come on. Good boy. Young one. Well, first pintail for the year. Oh, look at here. Look at her up there. You see him? Over your side. Here these two come. I think one's a drake. Yeah, one's a drake. All right, well, not quite the activity that we were hoping for this morning. We're about an hour in. We do have a black duck and a pintail down. We were just finally within about 45 minutes after shooting light. We were working a flock of mallards that flew over kind of high. We actually did get them to turn and come on down, and they circled a few times. Actually, a couple of them landed outside the decoys, and they're still out there, but not the. I can hear them quacking. Definitely not the flow of ducks we were hoping for this morning with the wind conditions. So, plenty early. I don't know if you heard that, but they're out there making up some noise. We got three of them. Looks like we're gonna turn in this way, so we'll see what happens. Steve right here. You got the drake, huh?
You got the hen.
Oh, I thought. No, you got the drake. No, I thought the other one was the hen. Deborah Lake. Deborah! Well, the two mallards that were sitting out in front of us picked up, came right at us, and unfortunately we got the hen. Did they all join up? Yep. We got one dropping down hard. Where'd all the rest of them go? Oh, there they are. On your side, Steve. Say when. I don't think those are mallards. Huh?
I didn't see any green heads.
No. Go. Oh, I got one. Lake.
Got two.
Oh, one's going down.
Can you get that one? See it?
I don't know. I don't see it. I think I see it. Denver Lake. Where's your other one?
Dropped over here.
Dead?
Yeah.
In the weed or in the water?
In the weed.
Denver Lake. Lake. Over. Lake. Lake.
I don't know, that one wasn't.
Yeah.
You might be able to pick up the scent of it.
I'll send them over there. Boy, come on.
Gadwalls.
No, widgeons.
Oh, yeah.
Widgeons. All right, Lake Deborah, ready? Something was chewing on it already, or maybe that was Lake. Well, we just had a flock come in, and they had a mix of gadwall and widgeon in it. All right, frustrating. About 2 hours in, and we are starting to see some ducks. We're getting some decent sized flocks. We just can't get them to commit. There's something down here that they're not liking. There's another party to the north of us. They're not even interested in them either. So not sure what's going on, but even had a couple singles that we couldn't even get them to come in. Problem is, you get a flock that's circling you, and then another flock comes in, and they join up, and then they don't want to land, so they don't want to try to come into the decoys. But we'll see what happens. Not much we can do about it, I don't think. It's if we go up and change the spread, it's just a pain because it's deep water. We just can't walk out there. We got to break the boat down and the foliage and then redo it. So it's just kind of a pain in the ass to do that. So, but we'll see what happens. Oh, and by the way, we're at five ducks, 2 gadwall, a widgeon, a black duck, and a pintail. Yeah, so that's what we got so far. Oh, Susie. Might take it. Lake Dipper! Dipper Lake! Bringing back a decoy. Oh my goodness. Oh. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Alright, finally, after a slow spell, get a drake. All right, 3 hours in, just had a single drake that came in, and ducks haven't been committing, so it flew over top of us, and one shot, one hit, knocked it down, got it. Puts us at 6. We had some gadwalls that we were trying to work, and gadwalls they piss me off. They just fly over you and buzz you and act like they're coming in, and then they flare right at the decoys. And anyways, so not much action here in the last hour, but we're probably gonna maybe, I don't know what, another 30 minutes, hour? 30 minutes. Steve's got to go into work, so we're gonna be calling it early. So another 30 minutes, see what happens. But it's been really slow. So, all right, stay tuned.
Come on.
Deborah Lake. Deborah.
Bring that.
Damn, Lake, how do you manage to bring back decoys with you? Come on. Yep. Ah, I think I just splattered blood all over the place. All right, everybody, it's about 11:15. We are packing up. Steve's got to get into work. We're getting out of here with 7. Lake, come on. We're getting out of here with 7. 1 pintail, black duck, 1 greenhead, ringneck, and 2 gadwall and a widgeon. So, all right, not as banger of a hunt we were hoping with the wind conditions. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. We're going to have a northeast wind, so we'll be probably set up in a different spot in this lake. So, all right, thanks for watching this hunt. Stay tuned for tomorrow's hunt.